Hello guys, thank you guys, welcome back all my amazing subscribers. God bless you guys for coming back, and if you are new to this channel, thank you so much. Do not hesitate to click that red button and subscribe. Guys, as you can tell that I am in my backyard and it's summertime, and it's time to give our skin take extra care of our skin, awaken all the dead capillaries. So what I have in this bowl here is green tea leaves. This is the green tea, the raw green tea. If you don't have, yeah, so this is the green tea. So I put it in the basin with hot water. You know how like you make your own green tea to drink, but instead of that, I put it in a bowl so that I will be able to dunk my face. And when you put it in the bowl with hot water, you want to wait for this to really cool down. If it doesn't cool, it really needs to be extra cold. I have some ice here, so I even added some extra ice just to make sure that this is cool enough. And what you want to do is you're gonna dunk here. Before we get into putting our face here, we are going to prepare the next step. The next step that we are going to be doing is cucumber. I will also be shredding off just a little bit of cucumber because we need some cucumber to do what we're doing. So just get enough cucumber. I think I have enough right now. So what you want to do is to soak your face inside the green tea. What does this do? This helps to awaken all the dead capillaries, brighten up your skin, infuse some fresh blood into your face, brighten up your skin, tone your skin, build up collagen, and boost elasticity. So you want to just like make sure. I'm gonna put this, it's a little drizzling, it's raining at the backyard, so wanna put your face. So use it to wash. You don't really have to wipe this off. You want to wait a little bit for this to dry on your skin. Yeah, don't wipe it out because you want to get all the nutritional benefits from this green tea into your skin. So we're gonna wait for about 5 minutes so that the water will get absorbed into our skin. So while you're waiting for your face to dry, I'm gonna move this table over. You want to soak your hands because we age here. This is a place where we age most of the time, and we age on our feet. And then you can use the leaves of the green tea to massage all over. Okay, so while you're waiting for this to dry, it's time for you to pay attention to your feet as well. So let me get this out of the way. You want to soak your feet. Soak your feet into the green tea. Soak while you have your feet. So while your feet is inside here, while your feet is inside the green tea, you use the cucumber. When I use this to scrub all over your face. Also, cucumber hydrates your skin. So cucumber really hydrates your skin and tighten up all the loose skin. So rub it all on your face. And you're gonna use the same cucumber to massage it on the back of your hands. The same thing goes, you can also, so I put the cucumber, so put the cucumber inside the water and let your feet soak as much as you can. Your feet, your hands, everything is soaking as much as you can. So after you have done all these things, you just want to take off all the pieces of the green tea leaves on your face. Take it off with the towel. And what I really love to use is castor oil. Is kind of heavy, so you have an option for the feet. So I love to use a little bit of castor oil and massage that on my skin, just a little bit, not too much. Just a little bit on the face to restore all the elasticity, extra restoration. And for the feet and the hands, because the feet is extra dry and the hands are extra dry, so I use Vaseline with castor oil on the feet and all over feet and on the at the back of your hands to keep it subtle, so you can repeat this as much as you want to. So guys, thank you so much. This is a little spa at home that will not cost you anything but good skin. So this is an extra spa at home that will not cost you money. It doesn't cost money at all. Everything here is under $5. So with under $5 you can have your skin looking so subtle and boosting your elasticity. So guys, thank you so much once again. Remember to subscribe and share the video and leave me your thoughts and your comments. Bye. See you guys in my next video. Love you. I gotta run, it's raining.